Aqua! This is an Aquarius reading for the month, bonus reading for the month of June. For your personal reading, kindly send me a direct message. Kamusta mga Aquarians? Kamusta ang puso? Nag-heal na ba? Justice card in reverse. May nangyaring hindi tama sa connection na to about a passionate connection. Let's see kung ano to. Kamusta ang puso, Aquarians? Nag-heal na ba? Nilagyan na ba ng betadine? Alright. Aqua reading, bonus reading for the month of June. Here we go. Ooh, the Star card, the Aquarian card. Nagpo-focus sa mga Aquarians right now sa kanilang mga dreams, sa mga gusto nilang i-build. Right now, nagkakaroon ng overthinking about kung paano mo i-build yung mga bagay na gusto mo para sa sarili mo, para sa mga taong mahal mo. Happy, okay? Happy ang mga Aquarians right now. Kung may anak, parang I feel, no, nilalagay mo yung focus mo right now. Kung paano mo matutupad yung mga pangarap mo na masaya, nakasama yung kids. Alright? Woo! Nagkaroon ng disagreements. At merong dalawang feminine energy here. Okay? Nagkaroon ng, what's this? Let's see. The Emperor in reverse, a very, sabihin natin na nasa tamang edad na to be in a relationship, but may pagka-stubborn yung energy. Nagkaroon ng lies, mga offer na hindi natupad. And right now, the Emperor is walking away from this connection. I feel he's not ready to deal with this issue about the questions kung bakit may involved na dalawang queens here. Right now, the offer of love, conversation, naka-hold back, trying to find the strength. And this is also the energy na parang walang gustong mauna to initiate a conversation. Okay? So, someone is parang may napapabayaan na trabaho here. Right? At kung ano man tong connection na to, na naging very stable before, parang tong partners na to, nire-release na nila tong connection na to. They feel na, the masculine and the feminine feels na parang wala na, hayaan na muna for now. I feel walang communication because there is the High Priestess card, the single blessedness, and you're trying to get in touch with your intuition. Ano ba yung nangyari? Ano ba yung lesson here? Because nagkaroon ng sobrang pain at maraming overthinking. Nagkaroon ng very stable connection, but right now, andyan pa rin yung third party situation, but avoiding conflict. Walang gustong magpaliwanag, mag-initiate ng conversation, mag-apologize sa kung ano man yung ginawang hindi tama. Okay? And that is not a good energy. The reason for the reading is the Hermit card in reverse. Maraming questions, umpisa pa lang about this relationship. Kung tama ba, naging masyado ba itong mabilis? Tamang tao ba to? Okay? Right now, in the past, because of that, nagkaroon ng questions yung feminine here, kung tama ba talaga, at nakikita ba niya yung sarili niya long-term with this person. Maaaring sa dami ng disagreements, na apektuhan din yung pagiging productive ng feminine, apektuhan yung trabaho, yung mga regular na ginagawa niya. Though the masculine feels na ginawa naman niya yung best niya to be the provider, kung ano man yung naisip niya na role niya sa connection na to. Okay? So, in the past, nagkaroon ng same old cycle, paulit-ulit. I feel nagkaroon ng maraming chances here. Okay? Nagkaroon ng maraming chances, lungkot, at paulit-ulit na healing. Okay? Healing, reconnection, healing, nagkasakitan, nag-heal ulit, nagkaroon ng hindi magandang cycle. So maraming prayers and manifestations din na parang paano ba talaga i-build ulit yung sarili, how to heal, mga kailangang ayusin here, may problema din ba sa Aquarian, ano ba yung nangyari talaga, ano ba yung ginawa ng person ng Aquarian. Right now, gusto lang naman ng Aquarians ng truth, napapagod na rin siyang mag-invest sa bagong passion at connection kung magdadala lang naman ng lungkot, ng disappointments, alright? Right now, sabi ng mga Aquarians, may energy yung masculine here na very manipulative. Very manipulative. Marami siyang sinasabi na nagbibigay ng happiness sa connection na to. Pero, very charming yung energy, no? Na parang this is more about bola. Bola-bolang siopaw, okay? Alright. So, Aquarius person, nagfo-focus right now sa might be dealing with a Libra, might be dealing with a Leo, Cancer, fire sign energy, may Taurus dito, may Virgo, alright? Right now, merong Libra energy dito, trying to find the balance, may work, nagpo-focus, no? Parang ginagawang distraction yung work right now, nilulunod yung sarili sa trabaho para hindi masyadong i-worry kung ano man yung mga nangyari sa connection na to. Okay? Gustong mag-move forward, trying to find the strength, but wala talagang concrete plan, but right now, nagmo-move forward ang person ng Aquarians. So, right now, Aquarian, you have fear and doubt kung ano ba talaga yung tamang decision para sa partnership na to. Okay? Nasa crossroads. In the next 3 months, I feel hindi ito yung last na may mababalitaan ng mga Aquarians na hindi nila gusto. Meron ditong the moon card in reverse. Ito na yung magiging sagot talaga, no? Na parang after all the separation, magkakaroon pa ng isang final, I feel, na like conversation or kung ano man yung magre-reveal, na magkakaroon ng realization na hindi na tamang ipaglaban tong connection na to. May mga bagay talagang hindi na matatanggap. May mga chismis, gathering of information, okay? So, I feel magbibuild ang mga Aquarians sa mga bagay na mahalaga para sa kanila. Financial stability, long-term plans. Woo! Saan magbibuild ang Aquarians? Maraming i-overthink but gagawa ng decision na kailangan talagang igawing priority yung work, yung pentacles, yung money. Okay? Kasi I feel, no, if the Aquarians continue a relationship with this person na hindi naman ready for a relationship, ay maaaring maapektuhan na naman yung work, yung time sa work, magdadala ng maraming overthinking. Magpo-focus sa mga Aquarians sa long-term plans, i-build ang pentacles. I don't feel na magkakasundo pa rin. Maaaring magkaroon ng mga exchange of hindi magandang salita. At the end of the day, medyo malabo right now with the energies right now. Malabo ang reconnection. Malabo ang maayos na reconciliation. Okay. That will be in the next 3 months. Okay? I feel magpaplano, magbibuild an Aquarian ng future muna niya para sa sarili niya. At kung may anak, magulang, para sa sarili niya. Long-term plans, stable. And that would be the Aquarian reading for the month of June. See you again in a few days for your July reading. Bye-bye, Aquarians. PM me for your personal reading.